Thank you for purchasing zunpulse Smart Door Lock. How to set up your smart door lock? Download the zunpulse app on Play Store and App Store. Log in or register from your phone number. Click on Add Device and select the Smart Door Lock. Reset the door lock by locking and unlocking it from the knob 3 times till it gets unlocked by itself. Enter details of your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and click Next. Name the smart device. Click on Save. The smart device will appear on the home screen. Now, you are ready to use the zunpulse Smart Door Lock.